Hey Ari, what's your favorite kind of smoothie?
My favorite kind of smoothie is mango strawberry.
Ooh, can you show us how to make one?
Sure, of course. So our first ingredient is 1.5 cups of fresh or frozen mangoes. You might want to keep them in a bowl for a little while and let them thaw out if they're frozen because they're really hard. So our second ingredient is 5 small strawberries. So we're gonna put these guys all in here. And then put the mango in here. And then now we're gonna put our lid on, take it over to the blender. Now the blending is very loud, so I'm going to skip past this and see you after it's all done. See you then. Okay, now that our smoothie is done mixing, we're gonna wanna stick it in the cup. So take our lid off, put our giant here. Then, now we wanna kinda just scoop it into your cup here. And you got yourself a little tiny smoothie, which is very delicious and nice and cold and doesn't use any ice. Okay, see you guys later.